There are tons of paid VPNs for Firestick: NordVPN, ExpressVPN, IPVanish, you name it. However, not everyone wants or can spend money on a VPN. So today we'll take a look at a free VPN which is becoming incredibly popular these days. And this app is called VPN. What pleasantly surprised me from the very beginning is you can download VPN from the official Amazon App Store or from Google Play Store. Just go to search on your device, click on the search bar and start typing a word here. And here it is already popped out for us at the bottom. Click on it and there's the application which you need to download. However, it works a bit differently compared to other VPNs. When you open the app, you cannot connect instantly. You have to get a PIN for connection. To get a PIN, you either have to scan the QR code with your phone or go to avoidvpn.com. We'll go to avoidvpn.com. Enter the address exactly as you see on the screen. Make sure not to make any mistakes because otherwise the website is not going to work, and then click on the website. When the website loads, you see a lot of ads, but that's normal for a free VPN. They still gotta make money some way. You have to scroll down a little bit until you see the Get PIN button. Click on it. Then you have to scroll down again and click on the Generate PIN button. And then after a couple of seconds, the PIN is going to be generated. And then you have to go back to your Firestick and enter the PIN which you received on the website. Please note, you have to generate your PIN yourself. The one you see in the video is not going to work for you. Each PIN code is unique and it changes all the time. So we enter the PIN code, click on Next, and connect to the VPN. You have to click on OK here, and now we have connected. Now let's go and test the speed of this VPN. We'll be using a speed test application. It's a little bit stretched because it's not optimized for TVs since it's an app for mobile phones, but it still works fine. Click on Go, and we got 17 Mbps download, which is not bad for a free VPN. Now let's test my speed without a VPN. Obviously it's showing way better numbers, but that was expected. So we get around 250 Mbps without a VPN. And let's also compare it with NordVPN now. Let's also connect to a Canadian server, just like we did with VPN. And here we are getting 3 times better speed, which makes sense because it's a premium VPN service. The only reason why it doesn't go above 54-55 is the processor of my Firestick. Sadly, it's not powerful enough to handle the encryption efficiently, and it is a bottleneck which doesn't allow the speed to go above 50. But still, 50 Mbps is a decent speed for a Firestick. It will allow you to stream content in 4K. You don't really need more speed on your Firestick, it's quite a limited device anyway. Let's also see what locations are available in the VPN application. So we got Australia, Canada, Finland, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Hungary, Ireland, Italy, Latvia, Mexico, Netherlands, Norway, Romania, Singapore, Sweden, Ukraine, United Kingdom, and 6 servers in United States. That would be a very poor selection if it was a paid VPN service, but since it's a free VPN, I'd say it's really decent. The majority of other VPN applications don't have that amount of servers and locations. And the last test I want to do is Netflix test. Let's see if I can unlock US Netflix while being connected to a US server. So let's connect to Missouri 1 and go to Netflix application. And sadly, it seems it does not work with Netflix. And that should not come as a surprise. Netflix is notorious for its battles with VPN services, and I'm not aware of any free VPN that works with Netflix. And if you want to get a VPN that really works with Netflix, you should get a NordVPN. They work with Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, and all the other major and small streaming services. They do have way more servers than any free VPN could ever have, as well as malware protection and ad blocking feature. And if you use my promo link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, you get 4 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is a great deal. So you definitely should check it out. Hit the like button on this video if it was helpful, and see you next time.